Here I have BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to hard reset the following device. So as you can see, it's locked. And if you would like to skip this pattern, just switch off the device, tap on power key for a bit and then select power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down this BLACKVIEW and wait for a short while. Now it's off and it's time to tap on power key and volume down keys all together and just hold them for a short while until you see the BLACKVIEW logo. That's it. Within a few seconds we will be in recovery mode. And here you can navigate by volume down key. And if you would like to select some option, just tap on power key. So if you would like to perform a hard reset, you have to select the eMMC option, so just tap on power key and confirm this decision by tapping on power key. And now just wait a second. This operation will wipe all the data from your device and will also delete the lock screen and all the other content. Then you'll be able to set up your device as a new one. And that's it. Now you can set up your device from the scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.